Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Sandy's Food and Lifestyle. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my pizza. And if you haven't subscribed, yes, I'm talking to you. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button. There's the red button down below. Just click on it. It's free. Click on it and make my Christmas. Thank you. And don't forget to like the video and leave your comments. So for my recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of flour, 2.5 teaspoons of yeast, half cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can see one there, but I'm actually using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And for my toppings, I'm using sausages, green pepper, bell pepper, sweet corn. And for my sauce, I'll be making my barbecue sauce myself. It's ketchup, vinegar, lemon juice, brown sugar, hot sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. And also I'll be using cheese, mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna grate them. You can buy the grated one from the store, but I think this is cheaper, so yeah. So first I'm gonna put 1 cup of flour in my mixing bowl, in my yeast, now I'm going to add the salt and the sugar. Now I'm adding my olive oil. Yeah, the warm water goes in. Please, not hot water, warm water, guys. If it's too hot, it's going to kill the yeast, so we're using warm water. I'm going to mix this in. And I'm going to add my flour. So I'm going to mix this in also. So it's time to use the hands. So I add the remaining one. So we use the hands to mix this in. So you keep mixing until the flour on the bowl, the bowl is clean and no flour on it. So you keep mixing until the dough doesn't stick to the bowl. You know you're good to go. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put my dough in another bowl to rise. First I'm gonna oil the bowl. You can use any oil you have, olive oil, vegetable oil, you can use any one. I'm gonna oil it and put my dough in it. See, I'm trying to coat my dough with the oil. I'm still gonna drop some on top to brush my dough. Yeah, I'm gonna brush it and coat my dough with the oil. So we're gonna cover this for about an hour, but if it's cold, since it's cold now, I think 2 hours until it's double in size. Or I'm in Nigeria, so I put mine outside under the sun and it makes it fast, like 30 minutes it's already doubled. So now I'm making my sauce, and first I'm gonna add 2 cups of ketchup into my saucepan. I prefer the barbecue sauce for pizza for some weird reasons. I don't know why. I just prefer it. So I'm gonna put 2 cups of my ketchup in the saucepan. You can use your regular tomato sauce if you like, but I prefer the barbecue sauce. Now I'm gonna add the sauce, the Worcestershire sauce. I hope I pronounced it well. Oh, that thing can be so hard. So I am going to add 1 tablespoon of the sauce into my ketchup. So now I'm going to add my lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and my brown sugar goes in. And I'm just going to splash in hot sauce. This is the Ghost hot sauce. It's really hot, so please, that's all I need. And ½ cup of vinegar. So we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes until when it's done, you see the color will change. It will go from this ketchup color to like this color. So now let me prep my toppings. I'm gonna just chop my sausages. You can chop it any style you like. You can make it straight or round like this, any way you want it. That's why it's homemade. So now I'm gonna chop my peppers. I'm only gonna put the pepper on one side of the pizza because the kids do not like the pepper on pizza. They just want to eat pizza with sausage. That's it, nothing else. You can chop your peppers any way you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, any way you want. That's why it's homemade, guys. So you see, my dough has doubled. Yay! So now we're gonna punch this and bring it out and knead it again. We're gonna knead it again for about 5 minutes, or 3 to 5 minutes. For some weird reasons, I knead with one hand. I don't know how to knead with both hands. That's so amateur. But with time, guys, I'm gonna get better. Yeah. So I'm just gonna dust some flour on top. Just little, just dust it on top, so it doesn't stick anywhere to the board or to your rolling pin. So that's why we do this, or to your hands. See, I'm trying to use both hands. It's not working. I'm good with one hand. So now it's time to roll it. Just dust it with little flour, dust your pin with flour, and you roll. So yeah, I've put it on my pan. Sorry guys, this dough made 2 pizzas, not 1, so this is just half of the dough. So if you want to make just 1 like this, you just divide the ingredients by half, so you get 1. But if you want to make double, that's 2 of this. This is perfect for you because I made 2. So I'm trying to form the crust because I really like the crust. And I like my pizza really thin. I don't like the fat one, but I like the crust rounded. So we're just gonna put 1 tablespoon or less of olive oil and brush. Now we're going to add our barbecue sauce. So here you can just put as much as you want. So I don't like it too much in my pizza, so I just put 3 tablespoons, as you can see. And you can add more, you can increase your quantity, but this is just how I like it. That's why I like to make my pizza myself, because when you order from the store, from the pizza place, they will load it with sauce and it's I don't like it. So now I'm gonna add my cheese. Yeah, that's another reason why it's homemade. You gotta add as much cheese as you like. And I like my pizza to be cheesy, really cheesy. So now I'm gonna put my sausages. The kids love this part. Ooh. So you can put any topping you like. You can add chicken, olives, anything you want. That's why it's homemade, guys. You can put all the toppings in this world on it. So now I'm adding my sweet corn. So now I'm adding the peppers. Like I said, I'm going to put it on one side because the kids do not like it, so it's just on one side. And more cheese. So now our pizza is ready to go to the oven, but first I'm just going to drizzle some of my barbecue sauce on top of it before I put it in the oven. It just gives it some extra something. So now we baked it for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, depends on your oven. So, but please be checking it so it doesn't get burnt. So yeah, my pizza is ready. Ooh, the smell in this kitchen right now is heavenly. Guys, if you guys can come to my kitchen, you will not order pizza again. You will start making yours. So guys, please try this recipe. It's really simple. I wouldn't say easy, but it's somehow easy, but it's simple, it's doable. Like, it's really doable, and it's very delicious, extremely delicious. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and Merry Christmas.